How to create a secret chat on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create it. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home page. Here on the right bottom, you can see this pencil-like icon. Simply tap on this pencil-like icon, and here at the last, you'll be able to find new secret chat. Simply tap on it. So you can simply select the contact and the person whom you want to add. So here I'm tapping on one. So after you do this, a new chat will be created. So this is the place where you can add all your secrets, and here there's a total privacy. Here all the chats will be secret and it cannot be forwarded to. So you can start chatting in a secret one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.